1. Foundation. Begin with a lightweight, medium coverage foundation that matches your skin tone. Liquid or powder foundations are generally easy to work with for beginners. 2. Concealer. A creamy concealer that matches your skin tone or is slightly lighter is essential for covering blemishes and under eye circles. 3. Setting powder. A translucent setting powder helps set your makeup and reduce shine. It's especially important if you have oily skin. 4. Blush. Opt for a natural blush in a shade that complements your skin tone. Powder blushes are beginner-friendly and easy to blend. 5. Eyeshadow palette. Start with a neutral eyeshadow palette that offers a range of shades for everyday looks. These are versatile and forgiving for beginners. 6. Eyeliner. Choose a pencil or gel eyeliner for ease of application. Black or brown are classic choices for defining your eyes. 7. Mascara. A good mascara opens up your eyes and adds drama to your look. Opt for one that lengthens and volumizes. 8. Eyebrow pencil or powder. Define your brows with an eyebrow pencil or powder that matches your natural brow color. Well-groomed brows frame your face beautifully. 9. Lipstick or lip gloss. Select a lipstick or lip gloss in a shade that suits your style. Neutral colors are great for everyday wear.